On just 47 views, I get $100+. If you think it's impossible, here is another proof. On 10 April, I just gave 4 views to my video and earned almost $4. Here you can check my RPM, $934. It means if I get 1,000 views, I will get almost $934. Looking insane, right? But everything is possible if you have proper knowledge.
Knowledge is power.
Now, what is CPM work? CPM stands for cost per mile. The amount of money that advertisers pay per 1,000 views on their ads. And I'm going to show you guys a complete demo how it works. In general, if your videos get 1,000+ views from Asia region, you will hardly make $1. It is because advertisers pay less per 1,000 ad views. But if you get the same views from Europe and USA, you will get almost $3 to $5. It is because, due to high competition, advertisers pay more money to get more engagement on their ads. In simple words, earn more revenue on less views. And through CPM work, you can easily make $500+ on 1,000 views. In CPM work, we manually click on video ads to earn more revenue. By understanding all the terms, conditions and risk, I will give you guys my $100 worth mobile CPM method for free. Whenever my second channel completes 10K subscribers, make sure to subscribe. I will post regular content in this channel regarding YouTube, Facebook and blogging. What are the safety steps that you have to follow? Do not make CPM work on your main channel. Do not use that device in which your channel is login. Do not share the same internet connection for CPM. If you don't have proper knowledge, your channel will get demonetized or invalid activity issues. Also, beware of the scammers, they will ask you to purchase their CPM method from $300 to $500. Do not waste your money. Now, before starting CPM, we target some highly profitable niche videos. And then add high CPM keywords in our video title, tags and description. You can use Google Keyword Planner and Keyword Steam for this purpose. For example, if I search how to make money online using Keyword Steam, select country as United States. Now, here you can see keyword monthly searches and CPM. If I mention this keyword in my video title and tags, there is a chance of getting $1 to $3. But if I mention this keyword in my video, it has 0 CPM because advertisers don't want to pay on this keyword. After completing all the video requirements, such as selecting the high CPM niche and mentioning high CPM keywords in video tags and description, now open your browser. Go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Go to Site Settings. Click on Don't Allow Location. Go to Background Sync. Click on Don't Allow. In Cookies and Other Site Data, block all cookies. Also, enable this Do Not Track. That's all. Now turn on your VPN first. For this purpose we use paid VPN to make it more secure. Open YouTube. Search your video on YouTube. For example, how to make money online. You can also see that my YouTube location is from the United States. Now suppose that this is my video. YouTube algorithm will show 2 ads. Watch the first ad completely. Never play your video through direct link or through your channel. Always search your video. Then you will be redirected to the second ad. Here you can see the display ads. It's your choice to skip the first ad and click on second display ad. Now you have to spend at least 45 seconds on this website. Similarly, you will get 2 ads at the end of video. Do not become greedy. Play safe. I hope you will like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my second channel.